want to speak English but don't have anyone to practice with, right? So, my dear friend, we are in the same track. Okay, so when I was a beginner, I also don't have any partner for speaking, and at that time I really don't know how to speak English and how to learn this language. And sometimes I'm so scared listening about English, and when someone talking with me in English, so I just afraid that what is the next, and I'm just shivering that time. So it's happened, and but now I literally I just want to speak English, so I improving myself because it's very needed, because this language it's a part of our life, and it's very important language, right? So you have to learn it anyhow. So what I did, so I want to share with you some best ways to improve your English and best ways to practice alone at home. So stay till the end, because I want to uh, some give some bonus tips, so you it's very helpful for you. So watch this video till the end, and so dive into this video. So my dear friend, when I was beginner, so firstly I talked to my mind. Yes, that firstly you have to prepare your mind that no, you have to speak English. You have to learn it in this language because it's very important. So I talk to myself. The step number one is talk to yourself. So how and how it's work it. So, firstly, describe your day in the morning or day, whatever you do in your daily basis. Okay, so when you talk to yourself, that for example, I woke up at 7 a.m., then I made tea. After that, I made a breakfast. So, you can easily speak with yourself. Yeah, here is no one to speak with, no partner needed. Just simple, just you and a little bit your daily efforts. So try this method. So when you describe your day, okay, the second is give instructions your mind. Yes, my dear friend, when you instruct your mind that uh, anyhow today I want to speak English, whatever comes in my mind and whatever do in whatever I'm doing, okay, in my all day. So, for example, like when I was cleaning or cooking, so I how do I speak? Okay, so I just instruct to my mind, no, I want to speak in English that what I'm doing, what are you doing? So um, when I was in cooking in a kitchen, so hey, I am cutting vegetables, and after that I will fry it. And you can just speak to yourself. Okay. After that, practice situations. And what is the practice situation? You can imagine yourself. You can imagine that you are in a restaurant and you are ordering food. Just imagine, okay? And you introduce yourself with someone else and a new person. You introduce yourself. You just imagine in English. And really, friends, it's very you enjoying it when you all steps when you're doing, so you can enjoying it. And because I also enjoying these methods and I daily use it and I practice daily by this method, using by this method. Okay, so then second step is you can listen and repeat. Yes, So listen, if you really want to speak English, so you firstly you have to listening a lot in English. When you listen more and more, so definitely you will speak a little bit. You have to learn more words, more sentences. You got that time when you listening something in English, because I personally use it and I know it's working, and still it's working. So do it, my dear friends. Okay. So watch English videos, like whatever which is your interest. So you can choose like movie, or your favorite movie, or your favorite book, or whatever. I mean, your some shows you can watch it in English. Okay. After that, you can use a shadowing technique. So, my dear friend, what is the shadowing technique? It's just simple. It's very simple. And when you watch any kind of video, or you copied, you listen any audio or podcast or any speaker, if you listen, so you can just copy them, what the speakers say, and what their ways to talking about, and what they on their pronunciation, their sentence structure. You can follow them. You can copy it, all their sentences and their pronunciation and their vocabulary and their way of talking. You can just copy it. Yes. And then I have a one more tips, that you just start sing a song in English. Yes, my dear friend. When you start pick any a slow song, you can choose it. And when you start listening and sing a song, so you can understand that lyrics when you choose slow songs. Okay, so try this. And the step number third is record yourself. Yes, so recording is the best way. When you pick up any topic. Okay, pick kind of topic, like whatever you like. For example, you like uh, any your hobby, your goals. So talk about your goals, your kind of hobbies, or something, your favorite movie. So talk about your favorite movie, your favorite author. Just pick that topic, and so you just speak about that topic. Okay, my dear friend, literally you try all these methods, and then record your voice. Whatever you talk, so you can just record your topic, your voice, so you can easily improve your English, your sentence structure, what you are speaking. Okay, and what you have speak. So you just record that, and after that you listen and improve whatever you recorded in English. So you can listen properly and carefully, so then you can improve it where you are getting mistakes, right? So you just improve that. Okay, my dear friend. So step number 4, think in English. Many people think their native language, right? Like I am Marathi, so I all the time I was think in my native language, and then translate to in English. So that takes time. So so how can I improve my English? So here is a solution. So you can think in English easily. So, my dear friend, um, you just you just take a simple word or simple sentences. Okay, take this and think in your mind. Like if you are saying, if you want to say like मुझे पानी पीना है. So you can say, I want to drink water. I want to drink water. So you can think in English, right? If you want to drink water, so you can think in English and think in that word. You can just choose any simple word and think it, okay? And then ask question to yourself. And how you can ask question in your mind? If you think in your native language, so you can don't translate, you just start thinking in English your sentence, like, what should I eat today? So my dear friend, you just make your habit. Yes, you daily whatever you do in your daily basis, so you can just use all these methods and try it. Definitely you will improve, you will speak a little bit, and no needed you don't have if you don't have partner, so it's no needed. You just try to yourself and improve your English. And the bonus tip is my mirror practice. This is the best technique ever, because when you when you choose your mirror practice, so so many things you can just transform yourself. Yes, you just start speak front of a mirror and practice and try to your introduce yourself, and any topic you just speak whatever comes in your mind. That time you boost your confidence and your personality. Yes, my dear friends, try these methods. It's very helpful for you. So, my dear friend, if really this video a little bit helpful for you, so please support me by liking and subscribing my channel. So, thank you for watching. See you in the next video.